I want to tell you about my favorite dental clinic. It's called Pearl. I was so impressed. When I walked in, I was immediately taken by all the certifications that they had. It was more than I'd ever seen at any doctor's office. The dentist was dressed from head to toe, but perfectly, professionally. She had on a white hat with a mask, also white, that covered her nose and mouth. She had a pressed white shirt and pressed white pants, and even her shoes were unscuffed and white, and even white gloves. The nurses and even the receptionist were dressed the same as well, all dressed very professionally. I immediately felt very comfortable in this place. I knew that everything had to have been very sterile and in perfect condition. When the procedure started, or the consultation started, the doctor told me the different options that were available and the prices for everything. I didn't feel like anything was unusual. I felt completely in trust with this doctor. She made me feel very comfortable. And when I finally decided on which options I wanted, throughout the procedure she asked me my comfort level, how I was, how I felt, and everything was fine, painless, and perfect. It was an ideal experience. And I was even further impressed when I found out about the different equipment they were using. They used equipment that I didn't even know existed. Compared to my dentist in the United States, this was like taking a step into the future. They had lasers, they had ultrasonic equipment for cleaning and treatment. I was very impressed. And I was further impressed on the level of comfort, not just in the comfort of the procedure, but they had Italian seating. In the room there was all the state-of-the-art equipment. I was very impressed. Let's see. Next, I was also very taken by the level of professionalism. I was spoken to in English, and that kept me at ease. Everything the doctor told me was very clear, and they made sure that everything was very clear. They asked if I had any questions, and they asked if I wanted to hear anything in more detail. Let's see. Finally, and most importantly, when the end of the procedure came, I was happy to see that everything was exactly the way they told me it would be regarding the price. They gave me some free complimentary promotions. They gave me the free consultation, they fixed my 3 chipped teeth, and they gave me a free polishing. And at the end, I was very happy to see that the price was 75% to 80% cheaper than my dentist in the United States. So I just am so happy that I finally have a dentist that is perfect, and I'll never need to look for another dentist.
That's fine.